out of here.
Let me see if I can get Rubik. Okay, here we are at the dog park in Idaho. We took Rubik out to play with some of his friends, as you can see. Rubik! Rubik! And here are the doggies. Rubik, what you doing? No. Oh, they're waiting to see a new dog come in. There's Rubik. There's Rubik running around. Oh, they just knocked down a child. Look at this. That's a lot of dogs. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at all these dogs.
Hey, don't do that shit. Hey, get off me. Right on your baby. It's just way too close for my
Oh boy. Here's some big dogs. Look at the size of these guys. Look at this doggy. That's a big one. It's a really nice dog park. They have Johnny Pumps all over the place. Little Johnny Pumps. Big dogs, little dogs. There's Rubik. Hi, Rubik. Oh, he's having some. Oh, he almost knocked the phone right off me. Okay, that's it for now.